Is your iPhone stuck on the Apple logo and won't turn on? Don't panic. It's a common issue, and here are a few simple ways to fix it. First, try a force restart. It's super easy. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until you see the Apple logo pop up again. If that doesn't work, your battery might just be completely drained. Plug your iPhone into a charger and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Sometimes it just needs a little juice to get going. Still stuck? Let's try recovery mode. Connect your iPhone to a computer and open Finder or iTunes. Follow the steps to put your phone into recovery mode. And when you see the option, choose Update. Result: reinstall iOS without erasing your data. If the update fails, you may need to restore your device as a last resort. This will reinstall the entire system and should fix even the most stubborn startup problems. One of these steps almost always gets the job done. For more quick and easy tech solutions, make sure to subscribe to Simple Tech Fix.